Hey, what's up, everybody? 12/22/20 planetary alignment. It's been going on the past 24 hours, and I hope you're having an awesome Christmas week. In this video, I want to talk about the pound. We've been trading it all week, having some great trades. Going to look at USDJPY and a great setup that we have on AU. So hope you're having an awesome Christmas week. We have our Christmas specials going on right now, so click the link below to get started on those. It's 60% off our academy with all my trainings for beginner, intermediate, advanced, and also signal setups and our awesome VIP Facebook group. So let me share my screen with you. And wow, I was just looking at silver here. Huge sell-off in the silver market. So, I'm going to do a video specifically for metals coming up soon. And so keep an eye out on that because we're starting to get some pretty good action. I still think that a lot of the same outlook that I had, I did a video not too long ago. Wow, this looks like a bit of a potential false breakout material here. And I did a video, well, I guess I'm just going into the metals analysis now too, but I did a video about us potentially breaking down below this line here. And if that were to happen, that could clear us away for clear the way for us to hit this breakout level down here around like 1940. So I have really high hopes for that happening, but we have a lot of room for that to happen. So as we are now, though, this is setting up really nicely. So keep on the lookout for that for metals. I'll do that in more detail later. But let's take a look at some of the pairs that we're trading in our VIP group. We got an excellent trade here on US dollar yen. And man, just like looking at the yen down here at these levels of like 103 was a big red flag for me of, man, this thing, we hadn't been down at these levels in a long time. And we're starting to consolidate like a wedge formation from here to here, this being our false breakout. So false breakout leading to that breakdown, which I love to see. Here is some of these lows. And we have a false breakdown below there, right? So this is what we're trading in now for US dollar yen. And if we look at this on hourly, a nice move higher. This is our entry point around 103.40-ish. Could have been better. Check out, shout out to Angelo in the group in our Accelerator Elite group. Caught a nice trade down here. I think 103.30. Great trade, man. And I think the price is pretty outlined where we could be headed here. But I still think we get some more upside movement after maybe a bit of a dip to the downside. So this has been a great trade. I feel really good about it. And just long term for UJ, I mean, we're at some, like I just said, like some huge lows here. Retested this area and really opens the door for some time down the road, which means there'd have to be some dollar strength, which is asking a lot for the dollar, but it is going to happen, right? At some point, this is going to happen. And because, are we going to go down to below 100 in US dollar yen? That would be crazy. It's not unheard of. It's happened before, right? It's happened last time it was 2017. And previously, before that, right? But we are at this big level of, this is a big level that we're at now. So like opens the door for a big move to the upside. So, long story short, earlier in the week. I was like, man, once we're down here, this 103 level, once we got rejected from there, it really opened the door for a move higher. So US dollar yen's looking good. Let's take a look at our pound CAD trade that we were in. This is one of my favorite setups I got going on right now, for a lot of different reasons on the front end. And yes, shout out to Alex if he happens to see this video. You know, we've been talking about this triangle consolidation here. We're trading inside of it. And we got a nice move down and a pullback back up. And it's funny, if you saw my video yesterday on the pound, I was talking about these gaps getting filled. This is where we were, and some Brexit news happened like right after that. And then I got a huge push to the upside. And I think that the case can be made, and a pretty good one, that we're going to start to see these lower levels down here. Any type of rally, you know, we know if we break out of here, especially once we get into these levels, that we'd be wrong. But price is below this 50 SMA now. Pretty decent bearish signal. Volatility is probably going to slow down, excuse me. But I really like, we have our targets laid out pretty simply here. You know, 1.7, which is 250 pip target, 220 pip target from where we are now. It seems like a really great scenario. Here we are on NZDJPY. Me and Joe and I, in the accelerator group, we're looking at this on a call we did. We had this nice 61.8 level that we broke. We were about here when I entered. We went against me just a little bit, retest, but this bearish momentum has really started to pick up here. We're below this throwover line here. Nice throwover, consolidation above it, and then a breakdown below here. So I think this really opens up the door to a potential move lower into these areas going into the next few weeks. It looks very doable. So I'm looking for opportunities to sell rallies on NZDJPY and Aussie dollar. Man, same deal. Nice breakout above this channel, and we're back inside the channel here, right? So maybe not the best time to get super bearish to Aussie because of, you know, how strong it's been, but as of now, I think a good game plan and potentially a pretty profitable one is going to be selling some sort of rallies into Aussie strength, you know, as long as we stay below this throwover line here, which puts us back inside this channel. So now we have our targets in place, right? So any type of move higher here, I would see that as a pretty good selling opportunity. Of course, it's the end of the year, and markets are going to be super illiquid, and especially as we go into the holidays. So be careful, but you could have some really good opportunities for even some scalps to the downside here on Aussie US dollar. So hope you found this video helpful. Hope you're having a great Christmas week. I'm going to be slow around here. Won't be shooting any videos over Christmas. So, you know, have fun, stay safe. By that, you know, just being like, be careful, whatever you're doing. And obviously there's a lot of stuff going on in the world right now, but try to find something you can be grateful for. So hope you found this video helpful. Click the link below to get started. I appreciate you, and hope to see you in our groups, and have a great 2020. Finish it out strong and figure out how you can make a game plan to go out and crush it. 2021, we have the opportunity as traders to give ourselves a big degree of control and security by being able to make money on our own, no matter what happens. So hope you found this video helpful. Click the link below to get started. I appreciate you. Have a great day.